This is the Sally Hansen No Chip Top Coat Nail Polish. And it's also very easy to use. You just shake gently and apply one coat over dry nail polish. And you're good to go. It makes your nail polish last a bit longer, strengthens it, and it also adds a nice shine. So I just did my nails and it has glitter in them. So as you can see, it's a little bumpy. But once I applied this top nail polish coat, look how pretty and shiny that is. So let me show you the difference once I do all my nails. So you see this? You see how it's ridgy and bumpy? So now let me apply this. So very easy to use. You just brush it on evenly, and what a difference. And it gives it a nice top coat shine and makes it a bit stronger. It seals in your manicure, basically. So you should do this after your nail polish is already dry, and look at the difference. See that compared to this? Shiny versus a little bumpy and ridgy from the glitter. I'm going to do it on this nails too, so you can see the difference again. Absolutely beautiful. Really makes such a difference. So much nicer. Definitely recommend the Sally Hansen No Chip Top Coat Nail Polish. You will be so pleased. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.